So this is Renzo Sandoval, and we're here with Philip Romero with his son Eliseo, and of course, once again, Baby Gaba is on the scene. Baby Gaba. So we're here at our state capitol building, the Roundhouse here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. And this is another video of us visiting with lawmakers, and legislators to really put together a family law reform bill. So I'm going to turn it over to Philip so he can catch you up on what our next steps are. We met with Omar from Brian Egolf's office, and as you remember, a couple weeks ago we did a video where we met with with Ben Lujan's office. And who did we meet with over there? You remember?
We met with Nicholas Maestras.
Nicholas Maestras. So anyway, Philip, what are some next steps for us here as far as drafting a family law reform bill for New Mexico?
So what we're going to do is we're going to get a packet together from different states and stuff, all the bills that have been passed that help eliminate discrimination against veterans in family court. We're also going to get other bills that have been passed for family reform to stop all these false allegations and helping the bill here in New Mexico so our families don't continue to get torn apart with these false allegations and military service being used against us.
Yeah, so basically what I hear you saying is that there are some examples out there of bills that have been written. Some have gone further than others, some have been passed, some have been vetoed, and some are still in the process of being formed. And so those bills are family law reform bills. And so what we're looking at, from what we've talked about and what we've talked to legislators about, is we're looking at a bill that is a general family law reform bill, which is a lot, that covers a lot of points. And we are creating a consortium, right, a task force. And so in June, we're supposed to have our meeting. And so what I heard you say is that we need to put together a packet that includes examples of different bills from different states and bring stakeholders together, right?
Yes.
Which also obviously includes citizens and people that have gone through this, whose families have been destroyed, and really anybody, because if you're not experiencing this right now, unfortunately someday you might be. Family law is corrupt and it's destroying families. We need to stop this now. And the one way to do it is through our voting power. We need to vote these people out that are supporting these abusive laws. Is that correct?
Yes,
Does that
it
make
is.
sense?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And if anybody out there is going through this, please contact me or Renzo on this on the Facebook page. We're more than willing to work with you guys, and you guys can help us out with this reform and tell your story so we can get something going for you guys also.
Yeah. So as you can see, we're dads as well, and that's part of our whole thing, is that we're for families. We're for moms and dads, and especially our children. That's what we're here for. And as you see, that we're parenting every day. We're both committed parents, and we're the ones that really need to move this legislation forward. We'll catch you up another day on how we what happens with this work that we're doing here. We're putting together a bill, and we're working with stakeholders here in our capital of Santa Fe, New Mexico. Thank you.